Hello everyone, welcome back to another IEI Premiere. I'm Joe. Today I want to share with you the case study of ambulance panel PC AFOKAR-08A-RK39. Providing maximum value in transportation applications require integrating the latest driver assistant technologies, powered primarily by AI, to make setup and implementation as quick and reliable as possible. There are a few essential hardware requirements. Our customer required a panel PC for installation in an ambulance. The ambulance is a life-saving part of medical behavior. When life is at stake, what most needed is the assistance of powerful and easy to operate machines. And in this case study, our customer chose the powerful IEI product AFOKAR-08A-RK39 as the table computer on the ambulance. But they face these problems. First, heart rate. The integration of any mobile device into a vehicle requires that it should be easily readable. If the device cannot be viewed clearly in ambient light conditions, it becomes particularly useless for the intent text and an annoyance at best. And second is the variable hardware requirement, and it is hard to install. An additional challenge is how to mount it in the vehicle. Anyone who has tried to install a phone holder in their cars knows that in practice it is much more difficult than it looks and can be unreliable with the phone or the holder slipping in the loose fittings. And the hardware needs to power cutting-edge technology is often too powerful for in-vehicle use. Vehicles need to make sure that the electronic use only a slip of power to reduce the strain on the electronic system. But when AI technologies come into play, the high-power CPUs need for adequate performance use too much power. Moreover, every additional fixture often requires more hardware that adds expense and complexity to the setup. And with all the standard extras like OBD2, J1968, GPS, and 4G connectivity, the strain quickly starts to show. And the last one, deployment difficult. Even when everything is in place, that is software deployment to content with. Designing for the device hardware makes this deployment both long and expensive. And this approach is counter to the modern design approach that avoid the lock-in and expense of customer designs. And besides, the ambulance may need some additional functionality, and we want to save them the waste time and the hassle of tedious upgrade. And our product, the AFOKAR-08A-RK39, can solve these mentioned problems because it has 8-inch touchscreen with VESA mount. The 8-inch TFT LCD screen is a sunlight readable and boasts a project compatibility touchscreen. So it is viewable in the bright light, and the touchscreen is not adversely affected by sunlight. The placement of AFOKAR is that simple. It uses a standard VESA 65 mounting configuration that opens up the full spectrum of mounting options, so you can choose the best ones that keep the AFOKAR steady and in place. And the second is the Android operating system is easy to deployment because the Android is ubiquitous in the mobile arena. Because of this, there is a multiple of apps available for platform. Adding a new capabilities by using a pre-built apps or building a custom solution are the both variable options. And whether going the pre-built or the bespoke, the root Android deployment is quicker than other approach. And Android developers are relatively easy to find because the skill set is high demand. And for integrator, this makes the integration a smoother, quicker, and more adaptable process. And this product also is an all-in-one hardware. At the heart of the AFOKAR is the cutting-edge Rockchip RK6399 for transportation solution AI, and this process is particularly suited for mobile, embedded, and automotive application featured that AR and big little hard granules computing agriculture. And with a dual-core Cortex A72 and a quad-core Cortex A53 CPU, and this innovative design approach the parts to CPUs into a single SoC that provides a powerful processing through the faster big CPU and a more conservative low-power little CPU to save the power to tasks that don't require quickly process. In addition to this code capability, other essential hardware is include a standard OBD2 and J1939 via 20-pin connect allow the direct access to vehicle data, providing fuel consumption and speed data, and built-in the GPS with an SMA antenna connector gives the access to vehicle location information, extensions for the monitoring the whereabouts of the vehicle, and also has the one USB 3.0 port on the side panel offered that the best connection for a phone-facing camera, and WLAN gives the option of the connection of a local area wireless network, useful for the uploading the large data and video films at the dispatch center. Redland uses the mobile data, which is more expensive. And finally, one optional add-on is WWAN, powered by the 4G LTE models that connect via SMA connector to the antenna, providing a live data to and from the vehicle, enable the video chat, live calling or location tracking, immediate notification of the dangerous incidents, and all the goodness offered by always on the internet. And the hardware combination can enable common features such as an advanced driver assistance system (ADAS) and the VSA, and the phone correlation warning (FCW) and the lane departure warning (LDW). And that's why our product AFOKAR-08A-RK39 can help you solve the mentioned problem perfectly. And that's all today. If you like our video, please like and share this video. If you want to know the latest news of IEI, please follow our media accounts, such as our website, Twitter, LinkedIn, FB, YouTube, or IEI Live, and also the WeChat. And I hope I can see you next time. Bye bye.